You're constantly distracted, lazy, never at peace. Your mind feels like it's running on autopilot, scrolling, procrastinating, wasting time. And deep down, you know, if you don't fix this now, you'll regret it later. This is your wake-up call. Here's how to take back control of your brain before it's too late. Step 1. Your attention is your superpower. Stop wasting it. Right now, you treat your attention like it's free. It's not. Every scroll, every click, every distraction is a transaction. And guess who's getting rich? Not you. Social media, ads, entertainment, they profit while your focus burns to the ground. Start treating your attention like money. Would you hand cash to a thief? Then why hand your focus to distractions? Invest it where it grows, deep work, learning, and the things that actually move you forward. Try this, read. Think deeply. Let yourself get bored. Boredom isn't your enemy, it's where creativity is born. Master your attention, and you master your mind. Step 2. You are not your impulses. How to detach. Your brain is flooded with noise, urges to scroll, quit, or seek cheap dopamine. But here's the truth, you are not your thoughts. You are the observer behind them. When an impulse hits, pause. Watch it like a passing cloud, that gap between stimulus and response, that's where your power lives. Widen it. The more you do, the more control you gain. Step 3. Play the long game, or stay stuck forever. Most people drift through life, chasing quick hits of pleasure. They mistake chaos for freedom. But real freedom? It comes from structure. From choosing discomfort now for a better future. Every action is a vote for who you become. Study instead of scroll. Embrace silence over noise. Take action instead of delaying. The pain of discipline today is the peace of mastery tomorrow. This is your choice. Keep letting your brain control you, or take charge and design the life you want. The controlled mind wins, every time. Stop existing. Start living. If this hit home, smash that like button and subscribe. Your future self will thank you. Now go, take action before the distraction drags you back in.